Time to get up here and do some old school egg chicken. Well, not for the refrigerator this time, but we're hoping for some silkies that we can put in that incubator. Boom, boom. If I had that old 12 gauge.
I'm on here. Hey, Kyle, say some out. Say some out, Kyle. Say some.
Y'all, I told Maria I had to go work on something over here very important. I hope she don't find my stash in that old tire. Well, he's just fired up. I can start by telling you he ain't really liking this new enclosure. We piling up a pretty good bait there for them orchids and them old silkies to eat on. And as you can see, they're constantly, well, bringing in fresh grass and all.
And action.
Back out with another one. Back out with another one.
What we doing today?
Woke it, good. Yeah.
Ain't nothing like it when you're getting after it. Well, we got a lot on the agenda today. We ain't carrying this bucket for nothing. Well, I'm talking about it's about to be mayhem. I'm talking about throwback malice in the Palace Benny Wallace style. Y'all stay with me. Come over here, let me show you. See them green leaves right there? We getting them all up, putting them in that red bucket. And we feeding them to the buck orchid. Come here, let me show you this. This one right here, we're gonna dig him up as well and put him in the bucket. Don't eat him. I would not advise you eat that guy. We don't know if he's poisonous or not, but he ain't worth trying.
Oh.
He might taste better than Mama's cooking, we don't know.
Holy months.
All right, come on.
Look at those. That one.
Work smart, not hard.
Mm-hmm. Skylar's coming in with hers. And,
I'm just sitting back eating my daisies.
we like
Finally watching my weed killer that I bought 8 years ago work.
Good weed killer. It's a strong kind too. I don't know if they're like 41% glyphosate, but they sure are strong. Look at this weed killer right here. Pull that weed on out of there. We're getting down there deep. We got a pretty good ways to go. It builds good character as well it does. And then when we get done with that, we're gonna get in this area and feed all these chickens and such. When you got help this good here, well, gardening's easy. All Maria and I have to do is just come in here and get it forked out and all. And well, get our seeds in the ground.
And action.
Well, while the children are getting some work done, I'm gonna take you with us and let you know, well, what all we got lined up for them to do today. Skylar's got a little bit of an attitude. I say she's fired up. She didn't like her assignment for today. Wait till she finds out we still gotta do this whole area. I'm gonna get CJ change that water out. That's down to nothing. And then our automatic water is on the inside need to be changed as well. And well, there's those buck orchids there. We're gonna feed up our other area here and bring some shavings in. We've had non-stop rain out here on the coast, non-stop. And we gotta get some shavings down and such to get that taken care of. And I guess I'll get Mr. Good Furrier to do that. Let's get out here and see how things go. Mr. Good Furrier, how's it going over here?
Good.
Mr. Good Furrier said he's not really liking his assignment much, but he's toughing it out like he always does.
Eat good! Booyah!
Yeah. She said she just saw something. Well, she must have just saw that egg just underneath that hen, brand new.
She dropped it like a $2 sundae.
I hate to drop a sundae. I'd like to eat a sundae if I could. Let's check on Skylar and see how she's feeling today. Baby girl, you still fired up about your assignment? How you feeling?
Fired up.
Well, she says she don't want to be out here picking no grass, but little she know. Well, I started picking grass too. That's how everybody starts. You just got to learn how to follow before you can lead, they say. Well, And then in turn, what we do is we take all that getting after it and mustard energy that we do, and well, we let the animals such, well, you know, reap such benefits and all. Y'all, inside this pen here, we've got a collage of things going on. We've got this old lead rooster in the front here. Well, his name's Bunsy, old Bunsy there. And some satin silkies and all right here that we've reproduced. Well, you guys know how we do incubator style. I'm gonna try to slide on around and hopefully I don't frighten and startle them a little too much. That's what I'm gonna try not to do anyway. Well, old black girl there, that's old Tina Turner. I'm talking about Ike and Tina style. You'd have had to been there. You'd have had to been there. Let's get on down here and see what ugly Junior's doing today. He said he ain't gonna spend too much time. Y'all look how pretty that buff Wolverton is. Well, shout out Sticks doing visions on this one for sure. For sure. Speaking of Sticks gluing vision, well, got a chance to check out your coop that you built there. Love it. Looks like it's gonna be work out wonderful well for us. Well, I can't even talk, I'm so excited. Look like it's gonna work out well for us. And well, I hope these old orchids get in there and thrive and such. And well, maybe we can drop a couple of these silkies off over there as well. We appreciate everything you've done for us this far. And for whoever the viewers are that's putting those thumbs up there, well, it feels good to get a thumbs up every now and then. So we appreciate whoever you are that's responsible for the 1 or 2 thumbs up that we get on our videos. And as always, we appreciate you guys checking out these videos and all. And the boys are looking at me like, what's next? So I got to get back out here and give them something else to do. Ain't nothing like making your way to a chicken coop and then bumping your head when you look up. Well, it's them old boars up there. You got to keep your head low in this guy here.
Got Maria to keep your head down in the chicken coop.
Maria and they're turning the whole area here. And they pretty much done composted all these shavings into dirt and soil. And we'll be getting our edges put back together, and then we're gonna, well, that's some old corn and they might come digging for that. If we find any worms, we might bait us up an old shallow reed, an old ultralight today. What y'all think?
Yeah.
Definitely got some old corn and such in there. And we're gonna get it even and layered back out. And on to the next. Stay tuned. Maria got tired of raking that dirt and all, so well, she subbed me in to finish the job out. Out of breath, guys. Time for some sunflower seeds. Woo. Y'all think she gonna catch him? And Jeff Corey in the number 24 car. Around his 3rd lap.
He barked at me.
Bark back, just bark back. Y'all ready to eat?
He caught. Wilding out. Caught.
Y'all ready to eat them? Y'all listen, the work's picking up over there. Well, Mr. Good Furry said he's ready to get some baits down. Let's get this old sunfish casted out, and let's see if we can catch us an old fillet or something. Maria, kindly tell the people what you're doing with this bucket of leaves here.
Yeah, sure. Take it. I just told you. I'm taking this.
She said it sounds like y'all know what she's doing. She's already told y'all 3 times is what she said.
I'm taking this old bucket here to the chicken pen because it's been raining so much. So I'm trying to cover up some of these puddles and create some compost. Is my main goal here. And there ain't nothing better than some leaf compost.
I see.
The pH levels of leaf compost.
Yeah.
Hardly nothing can compare. Not even grandma's breakfast.
Can't hardly beat that.
Wave. We found a dead wave.
What you guys doing here?
We're trying to look for some limbs so we can some bait. Oh wow, that's a big one.
You guys got something to put on me. I guess we're about to do some country style fishing. DJ.
Yeah.
Go over here and get that thing right over there.
Sure.
See that blue scoop right there? bring it over here. We're gonna try to get us some worms to be kept off in there. Well, we can do some fishing. Try to catch us an old sunfish. Well, no, we want a bluegill this time. We're trying to catch us an old bluegill so we can do us some, well, you know, try to land that flathead that's sitting in the bottom of that pond.
Oh, Vladdy.
That's his name, Vladdy?
Look like DJ just cut that in half with his shovel there. No, maybe not. Maybe they found another one. Now that I got them going, I can explain to y'all what's really taking place here. Well, what's going on is those boys, they like digging for worms and they like fishing and all. And we need these planters and such scratched out where we can do some planting and all. And well, I fooled them to think that they're digging for worms, and what they're doing is they're turning the dirt over for us to plant in it. Maria and I were talking the other day. Maria and Skylar and I, we hadn't been into gardening in this form of lifestyle no more than maybe about, well, I don't know, 4 or 5 years or so. We've always had goats, cows, and such. But the boys there, well, it caught our attention that since the day they left the hospital, those boys there, well, they've been on a golf cart at a homestead. They don't know any other way. But they've never lived with not having cows. They've never lived with not having goats and chickens. And, well, they don't know any other way. I'm talking about it ain't on them, it's in them. Can't get it out of them. But, kind of interesting to kind of watch. Maria getting them shavings and all down through there. Y'all having any luck coming up with any worms? We want to do some fishing.
We found a small one, but it wouldn't do it. It didn't look like it would put on the hook.
Wasn't big enough? Let me get over here. This corner here ain't got nothing done to it. Let me get over here and see if I can motivate them. Well, kind of work on that side there. Maybe the worms is probably on this side, guys. You got to dig up. See this stuff here? Dig this stuff up here. The worms are probably right here in this corner.
We were just trying to go for the good stuff.
Well, we made it to the area here where the portion down set. And, yeah, we have to feed everybody, guys. They're doing all right. They're starting to warm up and come around this time of year. Especially the white one down there in the bottom. Well, she's tougher than haywire. Woo. We're going to grow these guys out, well, to about 3 foot or so. And then we're going to drop them to the old farm catfish pond. And, well, maybe we can land them then on a size 10 odd and some rooster litter. Well, I've since run down my ultralight here. And, I'm going to run back over here to Skylar. Well, they got the worms here. We're going to get them worms hooked onto that old thing there. And, well, play a little game of match the hatch with these old worms and grubs and stuff. And, see if we can land us an old bull cat out the old mud hole. Maria's gonna take a liking to breeding these old, Maria's gonna take a liking to reproducing these old silky birds here. Well, with the peach balls. The afro. I'm talking about throwback Jerry curl days. I got to throwing sunflower seeds in there, and them roosters start making that noise they're calling their mate in. Well, evidently that's the same noise I make with Maria, because when I get some food or something, she's the first one in there after it. I'm romantic, but I ain't sharing plates romantic. Well, since I made my way here, we're getting this thing baited up. I don't know if I want to use that bigger one that's down there deep, or maybe this one up here that's on this wall that CJ put in. I'm on the smaller one. I'm trying to hunt down maybe a crappie, maybe old flathead catfish, maybe old bluehead catfish.
Y'all know he ain't gonna catch nothing.
Whoa, got something to prove. Me and these guys here sharing us old pack of sunflower seeds. Well, Maria's down there trying to catch us some bait fish. She's waiting them out. Didn't work.
Today we're just gonna try to cut some eggs and try to catch a largemouth bass.
Trying to catch a bass. When's the last time we caught any bass?
I don't think you ever caught a bass.
Yeah, it's looking like that. I don't know if that was an insult.
It was an insult.
But we trying to run these eggs down. We still got that rod casted out. While we got this time, we need to stop and send a happy birthday out to my great grandmother, my grandma Cleo.
Happy birthday, Grandma Cleo. Happy birthday, Grandma Cleo.
I'm sure she's not too inept all to the YouTube world. We got a family member that can conveniently get this thing to her. Get it on over there. Well, I need to make the call myself, but I'm embarrassed that it's been so many days that we've been in touch. But we got a surprise for you. We'll be in your driveway. Just wait on it.
I'm scared of the rooster. I want to get stop time.
All right, well, let's get after it. Of course, they gave the latch job to DJ here. He's pretty smart. He can figure it out.
I cannot get this latch open.
Good job, Sky.
Go.
Well, you're all fine and everything?
We found 2 eggs. Okay, look.
Was there anything else in there?
No. Nope. That's all we found.
All right, make sure you don't crack them. That's what we come for. All right, we're gonna make our way back out here. Check a couple other spots for some eggs. I'm gonna bring my help with me.
You got stickings in here.
Yeah, catch one. Well, he isn't gonna catch them like that. Y'all stay tuned. I'll let y'all know if he ever catches one.
We're gonna get this chicken run. We're gonna sit here and just watch this chicken run and enjoy this thing. Y'all think Skylar's gonna catch this rooster? No chance. She said she's after the hen.
Yes, I am. I'm after the hens.
Seems like you guys ought to adopt a new strategy.
My strategy is surround them. That's my strategy.
She said she's gonna surround them.
Holy smoke! You have to get out from there. They got him.
Sound like they say Jimmy crack corn, and I don't care.
Who cares what you step in? Keep on walking.
Look like she better keep on walking right up underneath this trailer, cause these old hens say they ain't backing down none.
Oh, I got one. Oh, the rooster. Move it, you. I'm going under, Daddy.
Let's go interview the chickens, y'all. Look like that one right there say God don't sleep.
Move it.
Baby girl, we gotta get a new strategy. That strategy ain't cutting it. Got that? Maybe you should send one brother around one side and send the other one back around the other side, and y'all trap them up.
Boys, trap them.
All right, let's get after it.
Boys, one side.
Wait a minute, we forgot something. Hands in.
Oh.
Ready on 3.
1, 2, 3.
Ready? Let's go.
Hey, jump CJ! 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 Yeah!
Y'all come here, CJ, come here. Come here, CJ. Go ahead, baby.
I caught him. I caught CJ.
All right, DJ's wandering off now.
Come on!
Seems like y'all might have a coaching issue on this team. Seems like there might be a coaching issue.
Come on, blood!
I told Skylar just then, the way she sounded saying Happy Sunday, I might let her get in the intro of the next video. Well, then, of course, maybe she'll start watching.
What after her, boys?
You guys heard that, right? But once she starts watching them, maybe she'll start watching them all the way through. Well, now she just watches outdoor boys. She watches across the creek about halfway through.
Halfway through.
Then she decides it's a little too boring for her. Guys, go ahead and take the volume on your TV and turn it all the way up. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Let's get these guys fed up and see how everybody's doing today. Huh? We in old Vegas Homestead. Well, if you's watching enough, you's know where we are. I don't have to tell you much at all, actually. Well, these buck orphans, they in here, well, they in here for driving on suspended. Sure was. Let's get some more feet. Guys, they're going at it over there. I'm talking about somebody got a lump on his head. I don't know if he's winning or losing. Whoa. go get some more feed, guys. Well, next stop, let me go ahead and warn you guys. Before I open this pen, I can tell you right now they're coming after you. So if you're in your living room and catching this on your living room TV, well, go ahead and get out the way, because they coming up in it right about now. Whoa. Well, if I can get that sucker open, let's get after it, guys. Heading right there say, he don't care if it's a Toshiba, flat screen, or old box TV. He's coming up to the middle of it to see you who's watching this thing. I got to get over there and check on that rooster and that other pen. Well, they was over there going at it, and I'm talking about laying the smack it down. Looked like they were two brothers back home fighting over the TV coming up. Well, gone are the days of that. Well, we gotta stop in and feed the old chickens here in our old cross pen. Yeah, this old Americana cross rooster here, he's been, well, I just say doing his job, and trying to reproduce more of the same. One more stop, guys. We gotta feed our bantams here. And, well, we got that garden there all cleaned up and such, not an inch of green in it nowhere. Let's go over and feed these old banties that we have been put up for breeding here. These guys here's got to get fed as well. She say, seemed like y'all was never coming. What took so long? Well, this guy here, he's been sort of aggressive, she's complaining about. Well, y'all will work it out. Time in the slammer. We got to get her sobered up. She's in the drunk tank. Let's feed these old ducks around yonder lazy. These old ducks fed up. Ain't a lot of time in. Nah, I ain't gonna do that. I need one country in that. My love is deeper than the hollow, stronger than the river. I don't know about river. I got an old dog up there by the name of Old River, and whoa, I'm talking about strong. Let's get a little corn in here with these old pigs, guys. Well, old Collard Green said, we appreciate y'all stopping in and catching those across the creek on this mighty fine Sunday. Well, like you said you do anyway. Let's get these ducks trickling, son. Like that, say, well, she said, I tried. She said, that corn looked like it's about worth trying. Woo. Let's get some feed, y'all. Well, Shelby said, what are y'all looking at? She's already subscribed. Get the camera out my face. No problem with us. No problem at all, Shelby. I had to let old Shelby know we don't want no problems with her at all. Well, they got them old claws, y'all. Let's get over here and feed these old laying hens. See if they got anything they reproduce. We got to get some of that old cow manure there up. And what we're going to do is we're going to throw it all over. Let's throw that feed in. We're going to throw it all over in the garden there. Let's get on over that fence there. We got to get in here. Well, we're reproducing these white guys here. So what we're doing is I'm coming in and collecting their eggs individually. And those are the eggs that you guys will see us putting in those incubators and all. Well, yeah, the spotted ones too. We're going to get that color there and flip-flop. White chicken, brown spots. Let's get in here and see what we got. Sure hope don't nothing come out there and get hold of me. Yeah, we'll come back. Reason being, there's only a couple there, and I don't want to risk cracking a couple. I like to leave them there until at least I can get 3, 4, 5 of them suckers. Woo. Y'all, I was gonna stop right there, but I just remember I got an extra $27. I might as well put a little more feed. Let's double them up on the feed, guys. Well, since I got my income tax refund check, well, I got a few extra dollars. I'll put a little extra down. What do you say watching this thing? Well, speaking of such, that old rooster right there cut through that corn like it was an income tax check. Well, and we'll put a little extra down in the old Vegas holding cell as well. I want to take some time to tell you guys, well, yeah, the journey's the reward. You guys already know that head block. And, well, on top of that, I want to thank you guys for checking in every Sunday and catching these videos with us. And, well, we'll catch you guys next Sunday. Thanks for watching.